Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Creators Theory. So in this video we'll be recreating the freeze frame or the camera flash effect that you just saw. So if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing because we have some amazing Filmora related content in our channel. So guys, let's get started with the tutorial. So as you can see, I have already added my media files in the bin. So there are three files that I will be using. One is the video, main video, and then is the sound effect that I've used, and the third is the PNG camera viewfinder image. So both of these I have linked in the description below. I will explain about the usage of this camera viewfinder a little later when I use it. So first of all, let's start with the tutorial. So let me just drag this video into the timeline. So as you can see, this is first let me match this with 24 fps. As you can see, this is quite a big video. So I will be just using the 10 seconds of this video here. So let me just make it 10 and I will cut it over here. So once this is done, so I will divide it into 4:6. So I will cut it at 4 seconds. This is the second cut. So I will come over here in 4 seconds. I will give it a cut. Now I will separate this part, the second part, which is 6 seconds. So once this is done, what I will do, I will come at this, at the second video, and since as you can see, this is the first frame. So as you can see, if I go back, this is not a frame, this is the first frame of the video. So just select, go into the first frame and then click on the video and right click, and as you will see here, add freeze frame option. So just click on that, and you can see in the start there will be a freeze part of the video of the first frame. So we'll be using this and we'll keep this to just 3 seconds. So what I will do, I will click at the green part, as you can see over here. I will click over here and you will see a duration option comes. So I will click on duration and I will make this as 3 seconds and click on OK. So once this is done, I will drag this along with the video and join this. Now what I will do, I will bring this camera sound effect in between both the videos. So as you can see, it becomes difficult to adjust this. So what I will do, I will just disable timeline snapping and adjust it exactly at the center. So once this is done, bring the PNG image of the viewfinder above the first video and make it sure it is only above the first video. So this viewfinder, as you can see, when I click on the first video, this gives us the effect of a camera. So the image that I've linked in the description is not a PNG image. So you need to take that image and convert it into PNG. You can do that by looking at the tutorial that I'm linking over here at the top right corner or in the description below. So if you are not able to even convert that after looking at the tutorial, you can just search for camera viewfinder PNG image and you can download it directly. So once that is done, so as you can see, the first part of the effect has been recreated, but we need a flash over here and a zoom of the photo at this part. So what I will do, I'll go to the transitions and there is a flash transition available. So just drag it and drop it between the two videos. Once this is done, let's just play and see how it happens. As you can see, the flash is happening but the zoom is not happening. So we need to add a zoom effect now. So what I will do, I will select this video first, I'll double click it and it will come to the this option. It basically will come to this option. You can go to the motions and in motion go down and select zoom in option. This is a zoom in effect that will be adding, zoom in effect that will be adding to the video. Double click and click OK. Now this video has, as you can see, has gone beyond 10 seconds. So what I will do, I will just make sure the video is of 10 seconds. You can increase the video size, doesn't matter, but for this tutorial purpose I'm keeping it for 10 seconds. Now let's see from the starting how the effect looks. So that's it guys with this tutorial. As you can see, the effect has been perfectly recreated. This is amazing. If you have some memory related or a travel related video, you can use this effect over there. So that's it guys. If you are new to this channel, you can check out more tutorials. We have some amazing latest tutorials related to Filmora that you can use in your videos. So do check it out, and do consider subscribing because we have some amazing content coming in the future. So that's it guys with this video. Hope you guys like it. See you guys in another one. Till then, see ya.